everybody and welcome to holiday vlog day 2. Now it is currently nearly 11:30. I'm still tired and I woke up about 8:30. Mum's in the shower at the moment. I'm going to jump in a minute, but I think in the next clip you'll probably have the room tour, so yeah, enjoy the room tour, and I think I'll come back onto the camera when I'm a little bit look a little bit better and later on. I'm looking a little bit more presentable, and we've come into Rye, which is like the town, and it's turned out it's supposed to be raining the whole time we're here apart from Wednesday, I think it is. So even though it's raining, we've come down to town, we've got our umbrellas, and we're just going to go have a look around the shops really. Mum's just going to go get the car ticket. Yeah, she's over there. And then we're going to go look at the shops, probably get some pictures of the harbour. We're not sure, depends on the rain, because I don't really want to get my dad's camera wet, because otherwise it's going to break and pretty much costs a lot of money. Oh my lord, this is high. I can't show you how big it is. Wow. Okay, this is much more impressive than I thought it would be. More impressive. A lot more impressive. Back in the car. Fish and, well, not really fish and chips, is it? Battered sausage and chips, and you've got
beef and onion pie and chips. Well, there was beef and onion pie and chips.
She's
there,
eating that now.
but she's gone.
And we have a Seagull Stalker. Focus. We've been here for about 10 minutes eating, and he or she has been here the whole time, sitting on that wall, has jumped on the car. He's got a friend there now. So
think they might want what we've got.
Probably.
They're not having it.
I don't want to get out of the car now.
So we're now prisoners in the car.
No. They might even follow us back to the caravan. For all we know. So this could be the last time we talk to the camera.
So what have you enjoyed the most this morning?
I don't know. I really like the pottery place, which I recommend a lot because it's so cool. I probably wouldn't do the castle. I wouldn't do the church again.
There was amazing views from the top of the church, but
they've gone to another.
Extremely narrow.
They've gone to another couple that have chips, and they're outside.
That's the Seagulls. Extremely narrow staircase, and Rhiannon was a bit wobbly when we had to come down.
Very claustrophobic.
But it was
Not
well
a big
worth
fan
the
of.
views.
It was worth it. I was a bit funny because I'm a little big fan of heights, but I just didn't like the bit of getting up there and getting down. Because literally the staircase was probably about like that wide or something at one point, and you're like having to like squeeze through it.
And it was
with people coming towards you as well
high.
to go down. Well, I didn't have to duck down very much because I'm quite short. Oh great, Seagull's back. Picked up some leaflets for stuff we want to do. Saw some really, really creepy old penny machine things, which
from the sort of 50s.
Yeah, they're
50s
why
and
are they
60s.
so creepy? They're like horror film things.
Yeah, but they didn't know any different then, did they?
Oh god, I would have hated to be a kid back then. Now they're all happy and jolly, and they were just dark and creepy. But yeah, I've filmed a lot of footage. Literally, like every place we went, I was like, oh, hang on a second, hang on a second, hang on a second. We're opposite Simply Italian, which we're going to go to at one point.
Yeah.
There was a camper van 2 cars away, which Mum really likes, of course. Yeah.
I'd like even more if I had one now, of course, but there you go.
Yeah.
Something
I don't think you'd ever live in the house. You'd always live in the caravan.
Yeah, probably.
I can't get words right. It rained, but not as much as we thought. What I thought.
No, but they're giving more rain about now, aren't they? So I don't think it's going to. It's only spitting about at the moment.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's going to hold out much longer. The wind's certainly whipping up.
Definitely. It was so windy. I don't know whether I'm going to leave the footage in from, like, obviously I'll leave the footage, but like the audio from the top of the church, it was so windy.
Yeah, it'd be a bit noisy to watch.
Yeah. So I think we're going to go back. I think we're going to go back in a minute.
Yeah, I think we'll have to, because we wanted to go down. There's a really nice windmill just down past where the chip shop is, but if the rain's going to set in, then I think it might be a no-no.
Because we saw it from the church, didn't we? We were saying like, oh, where is it? Turns out it's basically where we're parked.
Yeah, not far away at all. It's just hidden by trees. That's why
Yeah.
you can't really see it from here. So yeah, amazing.
Somehow made it back home alive, didn't we, Mum? Yeah. And went to Co-op, got some more food, didn't we?
Yep.
So I think what did we end up getting? So we got some. What did we get there? Red velvet and toffee cupcakes, which I picked up, obviously. When you was getting the bread. Fridge wide open. Some fabs and some yucky frozen raspberries.
Yeah, but let's go my natural yogurt.
Still, yuck. Got some butter and some more milk. That is probably like the most pointless thing to put in a vlog, but. And then now I'm going to do some colouring on my 6th colour in Ice Lolly placemat. And we're probably going to watch a film or. Yeah. Yeah, and I bought this for my stepmom. Looking after Jessie. Thanks for looking after the cat. Because she loves fudge. So yeah. I might get into my. I don't know, I'm not getting into my pyjamas, I don't think. I was getting into my pyjamas.
A bit early.
What's the time?
I don't know. Actually.
Something 4 probably. I'm
Yeah.
gonna get in my pyjamas. Let me see on your iPad. How do I open
In
it?
case we go out later.
I was about to say, how do I open it? It's nearly 4:15 and I want to get into my pyjamas.
No.
Oh well. Well, at least my clothes aren't soaking wet. I think I might have some of my milkshake. Some of my blueberry milkshake. It's a very, very long time later. It's about 9:30, I think. And I think I'm going to end the vlog here because basically since me and Mum got back from the high street thing, we've pretty much, I've got like this colouring plate, these like 6 colouring placemats when we were down there to do like ice lollies and that. And I did one of them and then I started doing another one. And then we watched Legally Blonde and then we watched the end of Smurfs 2. And now Mum's watching the football, which is not my cup of tea. So I've come in here, I've just taken my makeup off and okay, and I'm going to read some more of my book. I'm not reading nearly finished, but halfway through. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna pick it up again tomorrow because I'm so tired and today's been really good. I didn't think half the stuff I did I didn't think I would like going into the pottery shop. It was so cool. And then I basically went against two of my fears going into the church, two of them which are heights and cramped spaces. So like I said earlier that the stairway to get to the top was just really, really tight. I hated it, and then coming down the ladder, Mum had to stand at the bottom and tell me how many steps I had left. And then when I got to the top, obviously it was a really good view, but then obviously I started getting a bit funny because of how high it was. But like I couldn't see completely to the ground, but being able to see quite far down, I was a bit so didn't stay up there for long in the end because I basically wanted to get down. And then yeah, we went and had a look, and then we went and got our fish and chips, and then we had our Stalker Seagull. Haven't seen him yet, so that's a good sign. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and comment in the comments in future videos you guys would like to see, or different vlogs you'd like to see. I'm guessing England just scored a goal because I just had my mum cheering really loudly. Okay, so I'll see you all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.